How to create a shopping list in Instacart. In order to create a shopping list on Instacart, you have to first thing first open your Instacart app onto your device. So what you need is here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and log into your Instacart app on your device and tap the profile initials from the top right corner of the screen. Once you do this, you want to make sure to go to the saved list under collections or list. Here you just have these collections over here. You want to go to the list section and you could just tap on create by me, or you could just go ahead and select create new list and start adding in a list. And this way you're supposed to create a shopping list in Instacart. Now you could choose store, select your preferred retailer for that specific list. You could enter a title, you could add in notes or context for yourself or collaborator as well. You could search for product and tap the green plus icon to add them. You can add up to 60 items per list as well. And once you're done, you just want to tap the next button and make sure to save the changes as well. And this is how you're supposed to create shopping list in Instacart. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.